replacement of about 1 megawatt cooling here has accrued to approximately €12,000 a month in just pure cost reduction. That's a massive energy reduction as well. But the units that we recommend, they all use non-ozone depleting gases. They have a smaller footprint, they have smaller components, and they are lighter in mass, which means the manufacturing process has less impact, the transport of those machines has less impact, the installation is easier, and we also connect those using IoT technology both to the BMS on site and remote access for that, but we can also enable remote access to the manufacturer at the factory as well, to enable one, a quicker response and fix, but two, we haven't got the impact of having to bring engineers to site or to that location specifically until we know there's a problem that requires their attention.